My name's Andrew Charlesworth. I am Reader in Information Technology Law at the University of Bristol in the United Kingdom. And I have been part of Privacy Flag looking at data protection laws around the world in order to see if we could come up with a set of key privacy principles that we could embed in the Privacy Flag project. And so we looked at things such as the OECD guidelines on data protection, the Council of Europe Convention on Data Protection, and we looked at some of the major jurisdictions in the world, so China and India and the United States and the European Union. And there's quite a range of approaches to data protection law across the world. China, for instance, has very little in the way of data protection law. The US has sectoral laws, laws for very particular areas such as finance, such as the government, such as schools. And the EU has, and its member states have, an overarching data protection directive and national laws. So there's a great difference between the various approaches. And to some extent, one of the things that Privacy Flag does is to allow us to identify those differences, to allow us to identify similarities and convergences. And by concentrating primarily on what we might think of as the third wave of data protection law, the new General Data Protection Regulation, Privacy Flag is providing both to businesses and to individuals some idea of what they can expect to have protected online in the European Union and how that might differ from the way that they would be protected if they used a company outside the European Union.